Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to do demo trading in Bitget. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Bitget mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you've successfully logged in, on the home page, you are going to see this Bitget icon in the bottom. So you need to tap on this Bitget icon and then it will ask you whether you want to trade in spot or future. So you will have to tap on the option of future and then you will be landed on this page. Now over here, in order to do the demo trading, you will have to tap on these three dots that you see in the top right hand corner, and after that you need to tap on demo trading. Once done, you will be able to see that now demo is written in the top left hand corner. It simply means that you have successfully enabled demo trading in Bitget. Now you will have to select the pair in which you want to trade. After selecting it, you just have to enter the amount at which you want to trade and then you just have to provide the quantity. Then you just have to tap on open long or open short according to your analysis, and then your order will be placed. And this is how you can do demo trading on Bitget. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.